Let's find a good spot for this. Let's find a good beacon to hide this rocking geocache. It just rocks. It rocks so much. Hello friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I am here with another Cache Crate unboxing. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box where every month Lisa from Cache Advance hand selects some of the awesome, cool things that she knows that geocachers will love, and it's delivered to your door every single month. It is like a geocaching birthday to your door every single month. And this is the October one, 2018, and the month of October was my birthday, so this is a little Geo birthday present for me. The cool thing is that every month, the Cache Crate always inspires me to do something in the realm of geocaching. Okay, here we go. We're going to open it very carefully. Oh, some nice red tissue paper there. One of the things I'm always impressed with is that Lisa takes very special care of the presentation of each Cache Crate. Okay, the first thing I see, I've tasted one of these before. It is a Bumble Bar organic energy bar. And now I've had these in the past. They're very tasty and they're perfect for while you're on the trail. So I will for sure put this in my Geo bag. As you may or may not know, October was the month of International Earth Caching Day. So we have a little Earth Cache patch right there. Oh, this is so great. Now, I have certainly found many of these, but I have never hid one myself. Right here we have a fake rock geocache. I love getting new creative geocaching containers. It always inspires me to go out and hide it. So maybe, just maybe, I need to go hide this. So another thing I love about the Cache Crate is that there's often things in here that I would never know about or even think about purchasing unless it was in the Cache Crate. It says here it is a 20 times pocket microscope with LED light and a UV light. Oh, this is like a little pocket microscope with a light built in. I see that you have not been geocaching for a while. So I like this for a couple reasons. First of all, it has a keychain on it, so I just put it in my keys. Also, I like it because, as many as you know, sometimes you need an ultraviolet light, and there's some ultraviolet light in here as well. I also get the add-on trackable, so every month I get a trackable as well. Here it is. These cashkins are so adorable. It is a little badger with an ammo can. So I need to figure out where I should send this badger. Well, I was just in Wisconsin last weekend, so maybe the goal for this should be to get somewhere in the Badger state of Wisconsin. Maybe the goal should be to get to West Bend, Wisconsin. That was another really fun Cache Crate. What I liked about this month, man, there was a lot of variety. There was food, there was a geocaching container, my trackable was in there, and plus I got a really cool little light as well. And of course we got a patch which includes fashion. So we got fashion, we got things you can use, things you can hide. A lot of variety in this month's Cache Crate. Now, if you're interested in the Cache Crate, go ahead and go to cachecrate.com and you can subscribe there. Of course, you can cancel anytime, and you too can have geocaching birthday every single month. Who doesn't love birthdays? All right, like I said, the Cache Crate always inspires me to do something new or hide something new. So what I'm gonna do is, you see this little rock right here? I'm hiding this rock somewhere around here. So let's do it, let's hide this geocache. I got my fake rock. I filled it with a logbook, and I'm at a park. One of the first things I had to do is I had to check Cachely to make sure I could find a park that had some room for a geocache, and I got my rock right here. Fun thing about it, look at the other side. It says, "You found it." It's more than just a fake rock. It's like a real geocache that tells you that you found it. Let me show you what's in it as well. I got a first to find dollar I put into it. I got a geocaching vlogger pin inside there, so a little bit of swag. And then I put a bison tube that is waterproof with a logbook in it. So here's the bison tube, and the cool thing is that my friend Derek at his website, GeoGZ, you can actually print out log sheets, so you don't have to buy them, you can print them out. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to print out your own log sheets as well. All right, it is a little bit of a drizzly day. I found a location. Look, I've got so many rocks. Rock, 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 This cache rocks. So when you hide a tricky geocache like this, it is good that you can find it when you need to find it. So it's good to find a good beacon to put it next to make sure that you can find it and check on it if somebody's like, it's not there, and then you can go back to the exact spot and say, yes, it is there. Here's a good beacon. It is a Y tree. Oh, why? Oh, why would you hide this rock in the middle of the woods just like this? Oh, there it is. Put a little nature on it. A little nature. Beautiful. Beautiful spot for the cache. So I'm gonna use Cachely and I'm gonna get the coordinates. I'm gonna submit it to geocaching.com. And now I have my very first rock geocache. And now you can head over there and you can watch another video. Thanks for watching, guys.